Hey, I've got an action camera, which is not a GoPro, but was much cheaper, 229 Australian dollar, and I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna see what's inside, and I hope that I will be able to shoot better videos. And yeah, sunny's up because it's very sunny here, and it was just blinding me. So let's see. Let's see what do we have in Zero X. It's the model ZX40, which is coming with 4K and the Sony 12 megapixel sensor. Sony 12 megapixel included in there. I mean, their sensor is from Sony. Should be good. Let's open it. Mm-hmm. Mm, wow. Get here. Mm, done. Right there. Okay, here we go. Got a waterproof casing with all of these accessories to connect. Ooh, too many things. Wow. Wow. Comes with a lot of things inside, especially an extra casing. This is normal, simple casing, but waterproof casing is already on. So here it is. And yeah, there are many things, but I'm gonna open it and see which way. Okay, this way it opens up. Then we have, you can get it out. It says, attention, please format the micro SD card in the action camera before use. But they say it doesn't come with an SD card already, so I purchased another. Well, where is it? I purchased this, and then it is the maximum capacity that you can put in this camera. Let's see, micro SD card included. I don't think so. Yeah, here it opens up and the battery is there. But where do you put the mic? Okay, there, and the slot is empty. So yeah, this is the battery area in here. So I think, yeah, there's a little slip that you can pull it out and replace it if needed be. Looks quite simple with simple buttons, mode and action. And yeah, there is an SD card, and the capacity, the maximum capacity that they can accept, these cameras they can accept, is 128 gigabytes, so nothing more than that. Well, that's it. Let's see. I'm gonna charge this little cutie and see how it goes.